Welcome back to another video, everyone. This is a video that I don't normally do. It's out of necessity. I'm doing some landscaping in my yard and I'm building a water feature, and I have to relocate some lava rock to another area, but I want to clean it first. So what I did is I built this tub with a bunch of holes in it, and I've been filling this with lava rock. To get the bird seed out and the twigs, I've just been shaking this back and forth, adding water to it, keep shaking until it's clean, and then dumping it into a wheelbarrow and then piling that up in one location. So it's pretty time consuming, so I came up with a automated method. I built the Binford 2000 lava rock cleaner. So let's take a look at that. As you can see, there's a lot of stuff in this lava rock that we don't want. Just been dumping it into here. And then shaking this thing back and forth. Got a whole bunch of twigs in there and a lot of bird seed because we had a bird feeder out here. Shaking this back and forth, adding water to it. But what I built is this lava rock cleaner. It agitates the bin back and forth while I add water to it, and hopefully that'll clean it all out. So let's take a look and see what this thing looks like. So basically this is built out of just some 2x4s, some 1x4s. There's a pivot in the middle, that's just a wooden dowel. This is a windshield wiper motor that I'm using, and I've just 3D printed some brackets for it. And there's an aluminum arm that goes up to this part here that's just screwed into there so it can pivot. And then I've got a solid base to it so it doesn't fall over. And then I've just coated it with this waterproofing compound that I had, so hopefully it'll keep everything working fine for at least a couple of weeks. I only need this for short term until the lava rock's all clean, then I don't need it anymore. So got a little switch on here. When I activate it, you can see how it moves the arm back and forth. So let's put the top on and watch it work. So I made a few upgrades on this. Let's just shut this machine off and show you what I did to change a few things around. It's been working really well. I bought this power adapter. It's more power. It's 3 to 24 volts, and I'm operating at around 10 volts, and this is a 5 volt max, but this unit just kind of maxes out really at 3 amps. So it's been working better than the other one that I have. And a couple of the upgrades, I put this little platform right here so that little pieces can't get into the joint here, and that's been working good. And I also extended the arm right over here so that it has a little bit more leverage, as well as I 3D printed a cover for the motor just to protect it in case I want to add some water to this. But it's been working really well. And I've got all of the rock from here removed and transported over to here. So got a bit more to do in the front, then I'm going to move over to the backyard. Well, I've got the job pretty much done. This little device has been very useful. I've got all of the lava rock ready to go for my new landscaping project. I had to make a few adjustments, the lever arm and the amount of power coming to the motor, but after that, things went really well. Well, thanks for watching, and Lord willing, we'll see you real soon.